Yo.
What up?
Yo, can you hear me?
Yeah, I see you too. What you want, nigga?
Oh, man, same shit. What's up with you?
The fuck you mean, what's up with me? I'm sitting right here next to you.
Voice sounds real sexy right now.
Say what?
You want to talk to me later on then?
No, I don't want to talk later on, motherfucker. What the fuck is wrong with you? What the fuck's so sexy about my voice?
Oh, man, my bad. I was on the phone.
Oh, great. You got one of those ridiculous fucking headsets.
Man, I don't know what you be talking about. Bitches like this shit, man. They be thinking I'm one of them men's in black or something like that. You know, they think I got big things going on, you know? They be wondering where the black limo is at. When they see, all they see is the headpiece, they assume it's a black limo. You know what I'm saying?
Hold up. This the house right here.
Okay, check it out. Like, last week, right, I was in a strip club, right? I had titties in one hand, titties in the other hand. I had 2 hands full of titties. That's bigger than 2 scoops of raisins. I'm still talking to my account at the same time. What's not to like about that?
Okay, first of all, I don't know when you're talking to me or when you're talking on the goddamn phone. Second, when people wear those things, they appear to be talking to themselves. There's a name for people who talk to themselves, Ed. They call it homeless.
Man, bitches love this Bluetooth shit. It changed my life. I don't know what to do with my hands now.
Be that as it may, no technology is worth my dignity. If talking on a wireless headset mean I gotta look like Buck Rogers, then I'm not interested. Besides, there's a reason why people hold the phone to their head, Ed. It lets people around you know you're talking on the phone. So those people know not to waste time talking to you until you're finished, which you indicate by putting that motherfucker away.
You know, I like the way your booty looks when you bend over. I like that a lot. Very sexy. I can make it over there later. Yeah, I'm real ready.
I hate these fucking headsets.
See, I'm what they call techno-savvy. I fucks with the future.
Yeah, the problem is we don't live in the future, Ed. We live in the present. And in the present, that shit looks ridiculous. It's not a cybernetic ear. It's a fucking cell phone headset. The only thing you're gonna do with it is call a bitch. And unless the bitch is a Martian, there ain't no explanation for the shit to look that damn high-tech. Have you seen that shit in the mirror? You look like you're going to a fucking comic book convention.